Students, in this session, let us know about the parametric modeling. Parametric is a term used to describe a dimension's ability to change accordingly whenever the designs are getting updated. So the parametric design also keep the use of the feature measured design. Some software packages like Solid Edge, Pro-E support the parametric design. Actually, the parametric modeling is an approach to the 3D CAD in which the design intent is captured using features and constraints, and this allows the designer to automatically update it whenever the designs are getting changed. That is, when we want to update the parameters, automatically in the model will be updated accordingly. So it is a wonderful advantages of the computer design packages. Here, the one important feature is in the parametric modeling design, there are some certain relationship between the various entities like features, shapes, etc. So once the design intent is fixed, so whenever the designs are getting updated, automatically the model will be updated. But the non-parametric model does not contain any such relationship between the various entities. But there are some drawbacks in the parametric modeling because the designer has to face the potential design update at any time. So he have to pinpoint the design update accordingly. Some advantages of the parametric modeling is accuracy is increased, iteration is speed up, more resources for designers available, new approach gives room for innovativeness. So there are some advantages in the parametric modeling. Here, the one of the main tasks in the parametric modeling for a designer is to capture the design intent. So the design intent is how our model will react whenever the dimensions are updated or changed. This is the one of the important tasks for the designer. Here, consider one element in the diagram, shown in the diagram. Here, for the designer, the important feature is the chamfer. Here in the chamfer, the inclined face is 2.5 inches and the vertical face is 1.25 inches from the face. So according to this design point of view, there are two constraints is very important. Here, how will change these parameters whenever other dimensions are changed. Here, the design as a design intender, the designer in another way mentioned the chamfer area. The chamfer is in the first diagram denoted by vertical and horizontal dimensions. In the second diagram, it is denoted by the angle. So the angle should be notified. Now, let us consider this example, the Boolean modeling and the parametric modeling, some example. Normally in the AutoCAD, make use of the Boolean operations, and the SolidWorks, Unity Graphics, Pro Engineers, these are support the parametric modeling. So now let us look into the one element by which we can improve or know the importance of the parametric model or advantages of the parametric modeling. So now let us assume that we have to create a element, look like a ring with counter holes along the circumferential face of the element. Here, now first assume the model is created by the Boolean modeling. Now in the Boolean modeling, the two solids are created, and by using the Boolean operator, that is separate, the ring is formed. Now we have to make the pattern of holes. Again, we have to make the holes one by one. Here, there is no association between the holes, that is a pattern of holes, and the other dimensions of the ring. Now, and the holes also can be created by the separate Boolean operator. Again, the same model can be created by using the parametric modeling. Here, the model can be created by using the standard extrusion operation can be also used by creating a circle on the face of the solid then extruded to the particular depth, we can create the ring. So we can easily create the cylinder or ring. Now we have to pattern the holes. Here we know the number of holes and what angles or subtended angles in between the adjacent holes. So we can pattern the hole. So the pattern and all the dimensions are associate themselves. So here the final model will look like same as in the both cases, but the second model, that is the parametric modeling, that gives the model with some intelligence in the model, because there are certain relationship between the various entities. Here, the counter bores, the second case is associated with the top face. It is we consider the top face for sketching the hole, then we extrude and create the hole. That is, it is patternized in for the number of holes with subtended angles in between them. Here, whenever the ring width or ring height is altered in Boolean model, the height of the ring is heightened, so there is no change or updation in the height of the counter holes. But here in the second case, the Boolean model, whenever the height of the ring is changed or height increased, accordingly in the counter hole size will be changed. This is one wonderful advantage of the parametric modeling. So this is the case of the parametric modeling.